Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Adulting with Addie. I am Addye Buckley-Burnell, the Associate Director of Career Development in the University Career Center, and we're going to talk today a little bit about creating signatures in PDFs and being able to sign things digitally. Comes in so handy when we're doing things, especially via distance, where either you don't have a scanner or using your phone to scan doesn't always come out the best, or if you're just trying to get things off quickly with a signature in there, it can be incredibly helpful. I love inserting signatures into things like cover letters or even thank you letters that are done typed out. It just adds a little extra personal touch that can be incredibly helpful. But these signatures are also helpful for things like filing tax returns, that kind of stuff too. All right, so first thing you need to do, take a picture of your signature. So write it on a white sheet of paper, just like you would like it to be. Now, the nice thing is that you can kind of perfect this. So write it exactly how you'd want it to come across, preferably in black ink, and write it on white paper with good lighting. All right. The next step is going to be opening up your actual PDF. So if you have Adobe, all students have access to Adobe for free, which is really cool. This is the professional Adobe edition. It is the only edition that will allow for you to insert a signature. So make sure you have the professional. And again, you all have access for that for free. If you don't know how to get to it, just Google Auburn Adobe. Easy. You'll have to log in, but that's it. Okay. So when you are using Adobe, this is going to be what it ends up looking like. If you see here, you're going to see your document pulled up. However you pull up your document, you'll be able to do that, whether that be in an attachment in an email or on your computer, either way. You are then going to go over here to this little pencil guy. Remember, you've already signed a sheet of paper, you've taken a picture of it. I would recommend cropping that picture down, and I'll show you what that can look like in a second, and then get it on your computer. You will then go over here to that fill and sign button, and then you're going to see this element appear. Now, when you first hover over with your fill and sign, you're going to see actual text and like a text bar. Now, this is really helpful for inserting things like a date, or if you have to type out your name, that you can put anywhere and will let you start typing. Really quick and easy, no problem there. But if you go up here to the sign feature, you're going to see this option of adding a signature or adding initials. I would encourage you to do both, makes your life easier, and the same process will work for both of them. With the add signature piece, the first thing we'll do is have you either type your information or draw it out. Now, if you have a stylus that can do that nicely, by all means, you can do that. I don't. My signature does not look so great with the stylus, so I just go to the image piece. You're going to be able to select your image wherever you have put it. So you see all these crazy images on my desktop right now. Go to your signature. And voila. Now, again, if I've done this with good lighting and I've cropped it down already, your signature should look exactly how you want it to look. You're going to see this option of saving it. Definitely save it. And when you apply, it will save it to your computer, and anytime you go into Adobe, you'll be able to use this. So if you see here, I have my signature. All I need to do is click it, and then I can resize as needed. So depending on the box that you're actually putting it in, you can resize it to be smaller or larger, whatever you need. When you close it, you're just going to save it, and it will be your actual signature in the document. If you notice here, it's not like you've inserted a picture, and that's really the key. Inserting a picture of your signature would have kind of a line. There'd be differentiation of color for the different lighting that you used. When you do it in the signature piece, it actually allows for you it corrects all that for you, and it makes it nice and clean. It's there for you to use whenever you need. So next time you need to use it, you can go in there, put it wherever you're needing it to go. Again, you can resize it as needed. And then when you close it and save it, your signature will be in there. Really, really helpful feature. I encourage you guys to use that whenever you need to. And again, definitely use it when you're doing things like cover letters, or if you're writing any kind of letter of interest. Really helpful because it again gives you that personal touch without having to scan in a document. It prints much nicer this way. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Hopefully you learned something new today, and tune in for next week's edition of Adulting with Addie.